today's video is about I sell my bags and accessories for you guys. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are fine. I'm so happy to be back on this YouTube channel, and today's video is about selling handbags. And I'm so happy because I found you amazing bags this week. And as you can see, I have Hermes, Dior and Louis Vuitton. This is insane and the prices are insane, so you're gonna be amazed. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Before saying anything, my name is Margot alias margavalux, and I do videos about luxury handbags, luxury shoes, luxury jewelry. Oh, this word is a pain in the ass, sorry, but it is. Anyway, I'm doing like videos about luxury mainly, and beauty, and sometimes fashion, lifestyle, and so on. I'm 27 years old, I'm French, I live in Barcelona right now. Okay, let's get into this. You will find anything, any information and the links in the description just below the video. So if you want the price, if you want, I don't know, to see the photos, every detail, every information, it's gonna be all on the website bamluxurystore.com. Just here. This is my website, my company, and I'm very excited because I found every week designer items to show you, and I'm excited because this week was intense but amazing, and I have amazing designer bags to show you. As usual, first arrive, first served. Like, if you are the first to ask me anything and you want to buy, you will be the first to have it. And I'm so happy because the Chanel bag in suede was sold this week. So I'm sorry guys, I know like few people were interested, and I'm very sorry. I will try to find another one, of course. If you want, just let me know in the comments if you are looking for something specific. I can source you this bag actually. So let's get into this right now. The first designer item of this week is this amazing Lady Dior. You can't believe how much I'm happy to have sourced this piece of art. This is clearly a piece of art, and this is a bag from Christian Dior. So this is the Lady Dior. It commemorates Lady Diana, so I'm very happy. I think this is the best bag from Christian Dior you can get, so here it is. As you can see, this is in very good condition. It was not worn a lot. This is a white leather. As you can see here, you have like Dior leathers also in white and in leather too. And the most exquisite embroidered flowers are on the bag. Guys, this was all embroidered. This is amazing. This is like little flowers all on the bag, on the side, everywhere. This is piece of art. And you have like a orange band here also. All of these are kind of small, very small strass. This looks gorgeous. This is a very rare and limited edition, guys. You won't see this anywhere else. So if you find this bag very classic, with this limited edition, it's not gonna be classic anymore, and no one else gonna have this bag. So this is like the bag to have. This is art, you know, and as you can see under the bag, this is very good condition. Also here, this is very funny because here you still have like the plastic stickers, because like I think the lady who owned the bag before did not even really wear it actually. This is insane. And you have the zipper here, so this is perfect actually. Okay, I just closed it. Okay, I'm gonna open it again. Right. Okay, perfect. And the inside of the bag, I don't know if you guys are going to see it, but anyway, you can go on the website. It's blue. This is an amazing blue inside. You cannot really see it because like this is the Lady Dior. And you have the strap here, which is in very good shape and really good condition. I'm gonna open it right now. I'm gonna show you. I want to show you everything. And anyway, if you are interested, just let me know in the comments or in Instagram. I'm speaking in French, in English, and in Spanish, if you want. We sell and we ship worldwide. I'm living in Barcelona, so if you are in Barcelona or living in Barcelona and you want something, just let me know. And if you are in Paris or around Paris or going to Paris, I'm going to Paris every month. So if you want to see a bag for real, just let me know. Okay, so with the strap, this is perfect. And this bag is a medium size, so I think this is kind of one of the best size you can have at Lady Dior, especially for the first one. I love it. I wish I could keep it, guys, like for real. So Okay, so concerning the price, I'm gonna give you the price in USD and in euro. So in USD is approximately 1,496 US dollar, and in euro it's 1,499 euros. So this is very, very cheap because this bag in retail at Dior, it's 5,000 euro now. In USD, I think it's way more. Actually, it's probably like around 1,000 euro USD. This one is like 1,500. This is nothing, guys. This is a rare and limited edition. This is gorgeous, and it has the strap, and it's perfect. Well, anyway, I do have the entropy certificate for this one, so this is actually very, very cool. Yes, you will have like the certificates and so on. So I'm very happy to have it here. Okay, guys, so the second designer items I want to show is this little tiny thing. So this is for hanging on the bag, for example, like here or here, or on, I don't know, on keys or anything. This is from Hermes. So this is a little Hermes piece of art. I love it. I think this is an orange or an apricot or something like this. This is orange. This is in very, very good condition. And the price is very low too. It's 121 euro. So it's approximately the same in US dollar now. So, you know, I'm not going to give you the price in USD because it's the same. Or maybe it's like 119 euros so, USD. So nothing, it's not a big difference. So this little thing is very, very cute to offer if you want. And yes, this is Hermes. Voila. Okay, I'm gonna go with another designer item I wanted to show you right now. You're gonna love it. This is Hermes. So this one or this one? I'm gonna go for this one first because I want to show you this amazing herbag. Okay, this is an Hermes bag. Hermes in French, please. So this is an Hermes bag, and this is the herbag. So I'm gonna show you more. I'm gonna close it because I just opened it earlier, and youpla. Voila, voila. As you can see, I'm gonna put this here and this just here, it won't pass. Okay, so this is the herbag, and this one is in black. I have like the little keys inside, and you have a lock here. So this is very cool. This one is in black leather, very good. And this is like fabric, kind of fabric, but very good condition fabric. And it's white and beige. So this is very, very cute, actually. As you can see, it's in very good condition. And I also have the other part of the bag. So this one, you can replace this by this black one. So it's gonna give you something like this, like black on black. So this is actually very cool too, very modern. It depends. If you want to change, you can, and you have them both. So this is actually very good. For this one, I do have like also the entropy certificate. So this is very nice. I'm very happy. And this one is the year 2003. Yeah, if I say no mistake. So this is not really vintage, but almost. But this is this is a very good condition actually. It has little marks here, but this is because the leather here is very smooth, and this is like kind of a box leather. So this is why. Okay, we're gonna open the bag together, and I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag. As you can see, so the inside is in very, very good condition. You also have, I forgot to mention, the strap if you want to attach the bag in with the strap. So this is cool. I also have like the little dust bag for the locker. I also have the dust bag for this bag. I have a dust bag, the Hermes dust bag, don't worry. I think I forgot it like in the box. But so you had this at the bottom of the bag to keep like the shape of the bag. So I don't know if you guys are going to see, but this is in a really, really good shape. I'm very happy actually about this bag. This is amazing, babe. And you can change like this one here. This is very easy to change. Do not worry. You have like lots of YouTube video to show you how it's working. I could actually make a video on how it's working to change a bag. Yeah, I could actually. This is actually a good idea. Anyway, I'm very happy that I was able to find you an herbag since this year, 2022 and 2023. It's gonna be the year of the herbag. So guys, if you want it now with the cool price. Get it now because it's going to be increasing a lot, especially after Christmas. Usually in January, Hermes have a big price increase usually. So yeah, this is a good idea to have it before January. But anyway, this one is available right now and I'm gonna give you the price. The price is just perfect. So in USD, this bag is $1,563 and in France, well, in euro, for Europe, it's 1,490 euro. So if you like this baby bag, just let me know in the comments and we can chat about it. I can send you more photos or you can go see the website with every photo. I'd be very happy to sell it to you. And I think this one is going to sell very fast with the Lady Dior, I think, because the prices are quite very low. So if you want it, just let me know quickly. Then we are gonna go for another bag I wanted to show you and I'm gonna make you an unboxing. So this is the Hermes, also another Hermes. So this week I searched you like amazing designer bag. I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna open this box with you guys. So for this designer item, designer bag, I had the box. As you can see, I had the dust bag. I'm so happy. And you have all the papers inside, so this is really good. For this one, I also have like the entreprise certificate. So this is very cool for you guys. And as you can see, voila, this is a garden party. Okay, I'm gonna just put this away for now. I'm gonna close the box quickly and put this here. Voila. Okay, so this one is the garden party. Okay, this is just a small etiquette to remember me the price and so on. But this is the garden party. This is the size 30, so this is the smaller size. It comes in black. This is leather here, here, and here on the handles, and here this is in fabric, black fabric. So this one is amazing. It looks new actually. It is as new. It's year 2012, but the bag looks perfect. Like it looks brand new. So this is actually pretty amazing. I'm very amazed. As you can see on the bottom, it's perfect condition. You have here little buttons that you can close or open, and the interior of the bag is brand new too. So this is amazing actually. I'm very happy I'm able to show you this bag because this is the chicest bag of Louis Vuitton. I really love this bag. Like, I love every bag actually. It is very hard to see bags going out of here, and I'm also very happy, and it's thanks to you guys. So thank you for supporting my small business. Thank you for helping me like to grow every year, every month, every second, actually every week, because I have this every week, and no, I'm very happy actually. So now the price. So as I was saying, I have the box, the dust bag, the entreprise certificate, and the bag, of course. And this is like very, very, very good condition. And the price in US dollar is 1,000 approximately, because it's changing sometimes a bit. On the website, the prices are in euro. But if you are, for example, come from the USA, United States, the prices will be in USD, and they will have like the change down. So you will have the price anyway uploaded, but it's approximately 1,994 US dollar, and in euro it's 1,999 euros. Unless prices have changed in USD, but normally this is approximately the prices. So this is just an amazing baby, and if you want it, just let me know in the comments. I'll be very, very happy to tell you if it's still available, because I have lots and lots of demand, more and more. So thank you so much, because it's all thanks to you. And yeah, but I'm just so grateful for you guys. Okay, let's go for the last one, and this is the biggest one. I'm sorry guys for the last time, because I show you like the first keepall I had, and it was sold like this, like in the flash. It was sold very, very quick because the price was insane too, and the quality of the bag and everything. So I found you another keepall, and this one is even better. Like, it is the keepall 60, so this is the biggest keepall, and you have the strap. Yes, guys, you have the strap, so this is perfect. It is in super condition. This is a very good condition for a vintage, and as you can see, well, I can feel it too. The Canva monogram is in super good condition. This is not dry, this is not sticky, this is perfect. And for front of the bag, you don't have lots of big stains, so this is amazing. You have a little stain here, and you have like the etiquette here. You have this thing here, perfect. And as you can see, this is a very good condition. The strap too does not have like big stain. So I'm very happy because this is very, very, very amazing. The only thing maybe about this one, I think it was on this strap. Yes, well, this is a bit damaged here, but nothing very much. And this is why I put like a low price, but this is not really damaged actually. Like this is vintage, but this is very good condition. I'm gonna show you under the bag. No, I want to keep this one for traveling, but this year I'm not gonna travel a lot. So anyway, I need to get growing my company. So if you want to help me and you saw a bag you love, contact me. Anyway, this one is very good condition, even under the bag. This is crazy. And I'm gonna show you this side of the bag too. Here, for example. So here you have little stain here, but nothing very big. As you can see here, little more, but this is under the bag, so clearly. And now this is very, very good condition. Even the zipper, even here, this is so perfect. Like nothing is missing, nothing is bad. And the interior, I'm sorry, I cannot open it because I've put like a blanket to keep it like this. But you can see on the photo on the website, the interior of the bag, it is perfect. I have nothing like to say. There is like no stain inside this. This is a very, very, very good condition. I'm very shocked because this one is a very good deal. You are going to love it. Okay, so for the price of this one, first in euro. In euro, it's 680 euros, guys. This is nothing. And in US dollar, it's 700 US dollar approximately, because it's always changing a bit and my prices are in euro first, so sorry. But it's 700 US dollar for this baby with the strap, size 60 for this amazing keepall. So if you love it, just let me know in the comment quickly, because I think this one is going to be sold very quickly actually. Okay guys, that was all for this video. I'm very, very, very happy because I have like amazing designer items this week, like 2 Hermes, 1 keepall Louis Vuitton, 1 Lady Dior. Guys, come on, this is amazing. And also this little tiny thing, like as you can see, this is very cute on the bag. For example, if you want this bag and you want this is so cute. Anyway, I'm letting this here. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry for the ones who were very interested in the Chanel suede leather, because it was sold this week. So I'm actually very happy because the lady who bought me this bag, I had her on the phone. We were meeting in Paris in order that I give her the bag. She was so happy, and I was very happy because it was her first bag that she's buying in secondhand. So I was so happy. The bag was in very, very good condition anyway, but she was so happy. She was very cute, and I'm forever grateful that she trusted me for her first bag in secondhand. So if you are watching this video, thank you so much. I'm very grateful for all the exchange we've made, and I'm very happy because someone bought the keepall, the over keepall last time, and the pochette Monceau too, and the wallet Louis Vuitton. I'm very happy guys because this is a very new adventure for me, and I'm so grateful because this is like my dream job. And yeah, I'm very happy that I can please you and I can find very amazing bag for you. So anyway, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It's a very good way for you to show me that you support my work and my videos. I'll see you just in a few seconds because I'm gonna put you here 2 other videos you need to watch. So yes, thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.